Hi students! In this video, we're going to learn about adjectives. We're going to learn this new part of speech in this video. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. What this means is that we use words to explain, to describe, to talk about a noun. But we have many different types of adjectives. We can talk about our opinion, the size, the age, shape, color, origin, material, and then we could use a noun. So we have many different types of adjectives. All of these here are different type of adjectives. And this is the order they need to go in. So for example, if my noun is pen, I'm talking about a pen, and I say the pen is a new red pen. New would be age, red is color, and pen is my noun. So my noun goes at the end on this side here, all the way at the end. Again, if I said my pen and I want to describe my pen, I can say it is a new, so that's age, it goes first, new. Red is a color, so that's second, red, and then my noun at the end. New red pen. On this page, you can see the different types of adjectives explained with examples. So again, the order needs to be opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, noun modifier, and then the noun. The noun goes at the end. The noun goes at the end. This is the noun, the main noun of your sentence. Before the noun, you can put 2 or 3 from this list here in purple. 2 or 3. So you follow this order. If you have opinion, it goes first. If you have size, size comes after opinion, or size comes before age. I recommend you pause the video here to study these examples. Opinion means what you think about that noun. Size, if it's small, if it's large. Age, old, new, young. Shape, shape means what it looks like. Is it round? Is it square? The color. Origin means where it comes from. Material, what it's made from. And noun modifier means this is actually a noun, but it is used like an adjective because it is before the actual noun. So a noun modifier is a noun, but the noun has a different job in that sentence. In that job, it is not a noun, it is acting like an adjective. In this video, we're going to see some examples of noun modifiers. How many adjectives should you use in one sentence? Typically, an English sentence has 2 or 3 adjectives. Some people like to add more than that, but it's not common. If you want to use more adjectives, use more sentences. Look at these 3 examples here. Number 1, the helpful young man works tonight. Helpful, young, are 2 adjectives. Number 2, the morning English class is full. Morning is an adjective, class is an adjective, full is an adjective. Number 3, a big black and brown dog is on the street. Here we have 3 adjectives, big, black, brown. So if you're looking at these adjectives, remember the adjectives are colored here. And what do the adjectives do? The adjectives describe a noun. Helpful, young. What noun am I describing? Morning English full. What noun am I describing? Big, black, brown. What noun am I describing? Here are the nouns in blue. Helpful young man. I'm describing the man. Morning English class is full. Morning English and full is talking about class. Big, black, and brown, we're talking about a dog. The dog is the noun. We are explaining, we are describing. So again, there are many types of adjectives. Usually we use 2 adjectives or 3 adjectives in one sentence. No more than 3 in one sentence. When you use adjectives, you need to remember the order. Follow this order. Opinion is first, size second, age third, shape fourth, color fifth, origin sixth, material is seventh, and then if you use a noun as a modifier, that will be the 8th thing. Let's practice here. We're going to put these adjectives in the correct order. So our adjectives are green, nice, brown, big. And we are describing backpack. Backpack is our noun. So now we need to put these adjectives in order. Green is a color. It goes here. Nice, nice is opinion. So it goes here. Brown is color, goes here. And big is size. It goes here. So the order is nice, big, green and brown backpack. Or because we have green and brown, 2 colors, 2 of the same type of adjective, you can say green and brown, or you can say brown and green. Both are colors, so the order is your choice. But pay attention, we don't say nice and big and green. No and. Because nice is opinion, big is size. So they're different types of adjectives, so we don't use and. We only use and in the middle of 2 of the same type of adjective. In this example, we have 2 colors, green and brown. So we use green and brown or brown and green. Let's try this example. Look at this couch. We're describing this couch. Here is the noun. Now you need to put these adjectives in order. Pause the video here and try this exercise. Here is the answer. Dirty is opinion, large is size, old is age, and American is origin. This is the correct order. Let's try another exercise. You have to do the same thing. Put the adjectives in order to describe this booth. Pause the video here to do this exercise. Here are the answers. Typical red London telephone booth. And in this example, we see telephone. Telephone usually is a noun. It's a thing, telephone. But here, in this example, telephone is not the noun. The noun is booth. This is the noun. Telephone here is acting like an adjective. It's a noun, but it's acting like an adjective. The job is an adjective. Because telephone is an example of a noun modifier. Usually it's a noun, but in this example, the job is to be an adjective. Here is one more example. Describe this bowl here. The bowl is your noun. Here is the answer. Dirty, it's your opinion. Round is the shape. Porcelain is the material. So it's a dirty round porcelain bowl. Very good. Now let's do exercise 2. Exercise 2. What you need to do is check to see if the order of adjectives is correct. If it's correct, say correct. If it's not, you need to fix the sentences. For example, Number 1, I want to throw out that ugly old blanket. This is correct because ugly is opinion, old is age, and then blanket is my noun. We have the correct order for opinion and age. Example number 2, Kathy bought a green tall plant. Uh-oh, tall is size. Size is before color, green. So it is incorrect. The correct way is to say tall green plant, not green tall plant. Now it's your turn to read these 6 sentences and questions. Check the adjectives. If the adjectives are in the wrong order, please correct them. Pause the video here to do this exercise. Here are the answers. The only correct one was number 2. So let's review. Today, we learned about adjectives. Adjectives are words that we use to describe a noun. Usually we use 2 or 3 adjectives in one sentence. And when we have more than one adjective, we need to pay attention to the order. The order is very important. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Now let's practice.